Hello? Hello? Oh, hey Ben, how's it going? Oh, you're right mate, how's it going? Hello? Yes. Why isn't it ringing? Hello? You alright mate, how's it going? Not bad, you?
No, excellent. Right,
You alright Ben, how's it going? Yeah, not bad, you? Indian? Oh, fuck's... Yes. Yes.
Quivering rat. Rat. Quivering rat. Quivering.
Go! Wait, you don't need to be on the phone, Ben.
hi there. Congratulations. My name's Ben Robinson, and today I'd like to talk to you about a couple of things. First topic today is health and safety. It's all about eating the right food at the right time. Here we have young Cartwright. He's from... Where is he from again? Dan, I do forget. What's it called?
Lancing.
Lancing. Absolutely wonderful. And
born in Coventry.
yes. Right, we're just going to go over a few things. Okay, so first of all, Dan, would you like to talk me through what's in your dish?
Well, I've got like a bit of cucumber here.
Right, cucumber.
I've got-
Can we just get a zoom on that cucumber? Wonderful. Okay.
I've got a
Okay.
bit of tomato here.
Tomato, yeah. Look
I've
at
got
that.
some coleslaw.
Coleslaw, yeah.
And I've got some ham.
And ham.
And I've got some onion.
Onion, beautiful. And a bit of lettuce there, I see. Mixed lettuce, if I'm not too mistaken. That's nice. Okay. So, how is it? 2 days old, hasn't been refrigerated. Could possibly give you food poisoning.
Well, you know, it's alright.
You know, you're quite happy with it. Okay.
You're beautiful.
Hi there, kids. Ben Robinson.
Don't knock over the beer.
Children, I am going to look after you. Yes. Sometimes in the jungle. Well, like she text me like, do you know where I am? At one point I was just like, no, I don't know what she is. Oh, I thought she assumed Chrissy.
Yeah, I thought you would.
Fuck.
The crisp packet's
Alright, now I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna look at you. I'm gonna look at the camera like, oh, what the fuck?
No, don't break the fourth wall.
No, I'm not gonna look at the camera. I'm gonna look in that sort of direction. Like, what the fuck? Like I just.
Or look over there.
Alright, just start for now. Right, edit this bit out, Ben, in the future. Okay.
I will edit. Excellent. I like the last one I just did. Hello, I'm eating crisps. I am also eating crisps. Lemon chicken crisps. They're delicious.
I'm good.
Wait, one more try, one more try.
No, we'll wake up the
No.
fucking language.
One more. Right, ready? Right. Still holding the pod up, like, proudly. 3. Wait. Stuff your face straight away, ready? 3, 2, 1.
No, we could use that laugh we just done then as a real one.
Maybe.
Right.
But I'm walking off camera at the same. See how face.
Right, this is alright.
Oh, how about like,
It's recording now.
here's the plate. And then we both pop up like.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a good idea.
Smiling.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Alright, that'll do. Just cut that bit out. That's it, we're done. Cool, done.